This is a boy Dorothy Awilo, and we dey Lagos City, and we dey in front of one of biggest church in Lagos State. And it's another Sunday, and we are seeing the month of December. We are talking about the birth of Jesus Christ. People celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ. Merry Christmas, this. But many people don't know, and all they know, and we want to learn. So we want to ask people a small question about what they know about the birth of Jesus Christ, and we have a gift. When you give us the answer, we are going to give you some 5,000 naira. Let's go. My name is Dorothy Awilo. Can I know your name?
My name is Ochimakulet.
Okay, good. You?
My name is Adoga Christiana.
Okay. I have a question for you too. When you give me the answer, you are going to go away with the 5,000. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. How old was Jesus Christ when he was taken to the church to dedicate?
Jesus Christ was 3 months.
3 months. Okay.
No.
Okay. Where can we find that in the Bible?
You can find that in Matthew.
Matthew what?
I don't know the exact chapter.
Oh, okay. Okay, let me give you another chance. Who was the person, the preacher, the pastor that dedicated Jesus Christ?
It was Zechariah. Same answer.
Okay, nice one. But the day how old was Jesus Christ when he was taken to church to dedicate?
How was he? Come again?
How old was Jesus Christ when he was taken to church to dedicate?
I think it's getting to 2 years.
2 years before he dedicated, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Okay. You fail, but let me give you another opportunity.
Okay. That one.
You failed that one.
Okay.
Who was the preacher or the pastor that dedicated Jesus Christ?
Honestly, no idea, sir.
Thank you. Happy Sunday to you. Merry Christmas now. How old
How
was Jesus Christ when he was taken to church to dedicate?
It was not, was 0 years.
It was 0 age. Okay, how was it? It can be hours, day, 2 days, 1 week.
It was 1 day, but it was 0 years.
It was 1 day, but it was 0 age. Okay, who was the preacher or the pastor that dedicated Jesus Christ? Um, you are
It was
close
not
to
a
that.
pastor.
It was not a pastor. No, it can be pastor, it can be preacher, but who?
It was just dedicated.
It was just dedicated. Okay, happy Sunday to you, and Merry Christmas. How old was Jesus Christ when he was taken to church to dedicate?
Was it not 12 years?
Oh, 12 years. Okay, let's go. Who was the preacher or pastor that dedicated Jesus Christ?
Man, I don't count now.
All right, happy Sunday, and Merry Christmas. How old was Jesus Christ when he was taken to church to dedicate?
To dedicate what?
To dedicate, like when they take him to church to dedicate.
12.
Okay, you.
I think 8.
8. Okay. Who was the person that dedicated Jesus Christ?
I have no idea.
Okay, thank you. Happy Sunday. How old was Jesus Christ when he was taken to church to dedicate?
How old was Jesus Christ when he was taken to the church to dedicate?
Exactly, sir.
I don't know.
Thank you. Happy Sunday to you.